Welcome to Linh House, your ultimate destination for home design inspiration. We're passionate about helping you create your dream home. From the grand exterior to the cozy interior, our channel offers a wealth of ideas, tips, and tutorials to guide you through every step of the design process. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore various architectural styles, interior design trends, and practical DIY projects to transform your house into a home you'll love. A modern marvel, a black and wooden house. A modern black and wooden house, nestled amidst a verdant forest, is a striking testament to the power of architectural design to harmonize with nature. The juxtaposition of dark and light, the interplay of natural materials, and the house's integration with its surroundings create a truly exceptional dwelling. The exterior of the house, a bold and unconventional choice, is a dramatic and visually arresting spectacle. The black walls, a stark contrast against the lush greenery, provide a sense of mystery and intrigue. The wooden elements, such as the balcony, porch, or window frames, add warmth and texture to the overall design, creating a harmonious balance between the dark and the light. The wooden floor in front of the house, a natural material that invites barefoot walks and connects the inhabitants with the earth, adds a touch of rustic charm. The stone-paved yard, a durable and timeless feature, complements the house's modern aesthetic and provides a solid foundation for the structure. The interior of the modern black and wooden house is a harmonious blend of contemporary aesthetics and natural warmth. The living room features large windows that offer stunning views of the surrounding forest, while the kitchen is equipped with sleek black cabinetry and modern appliances. The bedrooms are serene retreats with comfortable beds and soft lighting. The bathrooms, finished with natural stone, feature luxurious amenities such as soaking tubs and rain showers. Throughout the house, the wooden floors provide a warm and inviting touch, while the abundant natural light creates a bright and airy atmosphere. The house's placement in the forest provides a sense of seclusion and tranquility. The surrounding trees, with their lush green foliage, create a natural canopy that offers shade and privacy. The house's design, carefully integrated with the natural landscape, minimizes its environmental impact. In conclusion, the modern black and wooden house is a remarkable example of contemporary architecture that seamlessly blends with its natural surroundings. Its design, a bold and unconventional choice, creates a visually striking and psychologically stimulating dwelling. The house's integration with the natural landscape, combined with its luxurious amenities, offers a truly unforgettable living experience. Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.